What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Like a Boss. This is your host, Adam, and today we're going to be talking about how to reset your Windows PC, how to wipe your Windows PC completely before selling it, and how to revert it as well, all from the same Windows Restore location. So, what we're going to do is on your Windows 10 PC, go to the Start button and then click the Settings. Go into your settings, and then we'll just go into from the settings. Yeah, you can type in restore or you can type in reset, but reset this PC is where you want to go. This will take you to the recovery settings. Now, you can do two things here. You can reset your PC, which will open up the window of options that I was just talking about, or you can go to Advanced Startup. You can click Advanced Startup, and from there, you will have the ability to boot from a different device. You'll have the ability to go to UEFI settings, to restore, reset, whatever you want to do. You can do that right from here, or you can simply click Start, Power, and then restart. And when you click restart, before you click it, hold down the shift key and it'll give you the same menu, the same advanced startup menu as if you clicked restart right here. But that's not what we're doing in this video. We're going to do the reset PC. So let's click get started. Now, what do you want to do? You're going to reset the PC. Do you want to keep your files, just to remove all the apps and settings, or do you want to remove absolutely everything? Now, if you want to keep your files, you want to select this when there's something wrong with Windows itself. When system files are corrupt, when things aren't working out the way you want them to, when you've tried running the SFC scan now, when you've tried doing different things and it's not working, do this. Reset your PC, but click Keep My Files. And then it'll get it ready. You'll confirm it, and then you'll reset the PC. What that will do is it will basically reinstall Windows completely from scratch, only it will keep all of your personal files that you have put on the desktop, in downloads and documents and pictures. It'll keep all of that. And so that is one option for you. And see, here it is. It'll just let you know what it's doing. Remove all apps and programs, change settings, back to the original, reinstall Windows, but you'll keep your personal files. Now, that's not what I'm trying to do here on this machine. What I actually want to do, let me go back, is I want to remove everything. All right? That means I want to remove all my files. Now, this is your options here. You can remove all your files. So that's everything. Reinstall Windows. It's just like you got this thing right from Best Buy. Hopefully you don't buy from there because they're overpriced. But anyway, just like you got this thing from anywhere, and it's brand new, and it's going to reinstall Windows, and you're going to keep the PC. You're going to reuse the PC. That's what you want to do. Just remove my files, all right? That'll clean your drive. You want to give it to your daughter, your son, your husband, wife, your best friend, whatever. Now, if you want to sell this thing, if you want to give it off to somebody, a complete stranger, you want to clean the drive. You want to remove the files and clean the drive. This may take a few hours, but it will make it hard for someone to recover your removed files. Use this if you're recycling your PC. Now, what this is going to do is what we talked about in an earlier video. It's going to clear all of the drive, all of it, all your files, everything. And then after everything's deleted, it's going to fill up the hard drive with ones and zeros and write over top of that old data. Because if you don't do that, and let's say you just wipe the drive and then go sell it to somebody, whoever gets it, if they know what they're doing, they can run a recovery program on your hard drive and they can pull up the data that has not been overwritten. So if you don't want that data to be found again, for whatever reason, you want to click Remove Files and clean the drive. All right, so it's getting all this ready for me to do. Now that is going to take a long time, but that's going to allow you the security and the privacy that you need when you're selling or giving your PC to someone else, or just getting rid of it altogether and you want to be safe. Right? It's letting you know this will remove all personal files, all user accounts, all apps, programs, and changes, and then it'll take forever. All right, so that is the process of recovery, of resetting in recovery your PC. Now, before we do this, I just want to let you know what I was talking about earlier if you don't know. If you're having problems with Windows and you don't know what's wrong, but it's not acting right, before you go and reset the PC, you can try what I mentioned a minute ago. Open up the command prompt, run as administrator, and now you're going to run sfc /scan now. All right? You're going to run that. What it's going to do is it's going to scan your whole system. Oh, it's already got a system repair pending. So that's good to know. But if that wasn't the case, it would scan the whole system, see if it could find any corrupt files, and then if it could, it would try to fix them. And a lot of times that will allow you to fix the problem that you have with Windows, and it will repair it. You won't have to reset, you won't have to start over, and it'll fix your issue at the same time. So always try that first before you go off and reset the PC and possibly waste time, effort, and energy, and get all that frustration sidestepped. So, all right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna reset this PC. We're gonna wipe the whole thing, and the PC says the PC will restart. Now, this will take anywhere between it depends on how big your hard drive is, but it could take as long as 4 to 6 hours, maybe even longer if you have more than a terabyte, or if your processor is really slow, but it'll take a while. And so that is what you do to clear everything off your drive and start over. All right, guys, so I hope you liked that video. If you did, please click the like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you're wondering about what I was talking about earlier, about wiping the drive, about encrypting the drive, check this video out right here. This is one I did a while back on encrypting with BitLocker, making sure that your data is safe no matter what. If it gets stolen by somebody, it is always going to be there. So check that out. And this has been Adam with Tech Like a Boss, and I will see you in the next one.